Good morning, Mulaski. My name is Thomas. Today is Thursday, January 23rd. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are fresh salad bar, nacho supreme, cheese breadsticks, and pizza, and your sides are fiesta beans and fresh pineapple.
After-school tutoring is available to all students who need help with their English, reading, or math.
If you just want some extra help or want to improve your grades, you should attend tutoring.
All you need to do is show up to the correct tutoring room by 2:25 on Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday. You can come one day or all three.
We also have a room available for students who need to retake tests or need to use the school Wi-Fi to complete homework.
Make sure you talk to your teacher and set up your test retake prior to staying after school.
If you plan to stay after school, you must be in the tutoring room by 2:25 and plan to stay there working until 3:30.
Go to Mulaski.org for more information.
Congratulations to all those students on the AB Honor Roll for Quarter 2. That means that you received all A's and B's on your report card. We are really proud of you. You will turn your voucher in today that you got from your ELA teacher to get your cupcake at lunch today. Congratulations and keep up the great work. You are awesome.
Oh wow, what's that?
It's last year's yearbook. Didn't you get one?
I waited too long.
Well, did you know you can buy this year's yearbook now?
Really?
For only $40.
Buy yours today.
You can buy yours at the school banker or you can go on the Mulaski Home website.
Thank you for joining today's MVP. Have a great day.